Hi, are you interested in becoming a practical nurse? There is an ongoing application um, for anyone that will be writing the registered nursing common entrance. I have a video about the kind of questions that they usually ask. So if you're interested, you can give it a shot. The practical nursing. Remember, I always tell you guys that practical nursing or generally healthcare in Finland is very lucrative. Is one of the sectors that when you start, even before you finish, you can get a part-time job opportunity for anyone interested to move to Finland, and you have the interest, the motivation to work with elderly people or to work in elderly care home or daycare for those that want to work with kids. This is also an avenue for you to do. So number one on the list is Duolingo. There's a link also in the school site where you can click and write the Duolingo, and within 48 hours the result comes. That's step number one. The next step is for you to answer some questions in Finnish language as well as in English language. There are 4 questions in Finnish and 2 questions in English. How do you go about that? You make a video of yourself answering the questions. The video will be about maximum of 2 minutes. So it can be a minute and some seconds, even a minute is even okay to answer the. After answering the question, the last step is for you to upload your previous education for those that have secondary school certificate, upper secondary school certificate, or if you have bachelor's, whichever be the certificate you have, upload that certificates plus the Duolingo and the link to the deadline for this application is April 30th. So you still have a little time for you to get all what is required of you to apply to this. So guys, so let's go to the site. Come with me to my computer. Page looks like so sami.fi. It takes you to this practical nursing. You can read all this information yourself. Sorry for the noise in the background. So please take your time to read these informations you see here by for yourself. Who can apply? Anyone in basic level, A2, skill in Finnish will be tested. All right, so please read all the informations you have here. It is totally free of charge for all students. Okay, application is ongoing already, 17th to 30th of April. So you have a little time for you to get your Duolingo and all the informations that you need for this particular school. Application procedure, like I said earlier, you have to take the Duolingo test and the minimum is 85 points. The next step is for you to record a maximum of 2 minutes video where you answer the following questions, all right, both in English and in Finnish language, and then attach your certificate of your previous education as well as the Duolingo to the link, basically, and then you submit the form. So apply to the school. This is basically the how the site looks like. So for all of you interested, you can. So guys, I wish you guys all the best, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Please share this video because you don't know who this information might be helpful to.